Looking for a delicious, healthy side dish? Let's make perfectly roasted Brussels sprouts that are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Start by trimming the ends and removing any yellow leaves from the Brussels sprouts. Then, cut them in half to ensure even cooking. Now, toss them in a bowl with a generous drizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper. You can add a little garlic powder or balsamic vinegar for extra flavor. Spread the Brussels sprouts out on a baking sheet, making sure they're in a single layer for maximum crispiness. Roast them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees, 200 degrees, for about 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway through until they're golden brown and crispy. Look at those! Crispy, golden, and absolutely delicious. These roasted Brussels sprouts are the perfect side for any meal. Try them out and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tasty recipes.